Yesterday, over 70 renders of the Galaxy S25 series were revealed, showcasing the S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, and S25. Now, renowned leaker Evan Blass has shared even more official images of Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 lineup. Not just this, I have a big update related to the RAM of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. But before that, if you haven't done reservation for the Galaxy S25 series, do that because you can even win up to $5,000 Samsung credit. Link is in the description below. The latest renders of the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra don't introduce new details compared to the previous leaks, but do offer fresh angles and a better view of each device in single-frame images. The Galaxy S25 Ultra brings subtle curves to its flat-frame design, moving away from the iconic boxy note look. The thicker camera rings feature a dual-layer approach, adding depth and refinement to the back panel. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are showcased in their possible signature colors, highlighting Samsung's signature design philosophy. The bezels have been further minimized and the frames are now flatter, offering a sleek, polished look. What do you think about the new official photos? Let me know in the comments below. Here's another big update about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. 16 GB RAM Galaxy S25 Ultra variant may launch in select markets. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to be the standout model. According to a reliable tipster on Cybo, the 16 GB RAM version of the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be limited to regions like South Korea and China. Unfortunately, this means that users in other countries may not have access to this higher RAM configuration. The 16 GB RAM model is ideal for users seeking top-tier performance for multitasking, gaming, and other demanding tasks. With such a high amount of memory, the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises seamless handling of intensive operations, making it the go-to choice for those prioritizing maximum performance. In markets outside of South Korea and China, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to be offered only with a 12 GB RAM option. Samsung appears to be reserving the 16 GB variant for a select few regions. As of now, this information should be taken with a grain of salt, as Samsung hasn't confirmed the availability of the RAM variants. With the Galaxy S25 series launch just around the corner, official details will soon be revealed. Samsung has confirmed that its Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on January 22, where the Galaxy S25 series and One UI 7 will be officially unveiled. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.